All right, we're going to set up Plex on Proxmox 9.2.3. It's just enabling an FS mount, host name, select the folders that you want read write to sync. Simple as that. Oops. Let's go ahead and run this directly on the node. Let's see if it's able to figure that out. It usually does. Gave me 20.151. I personally wanted to avoid .20. 20.150. I'm sorry. These are my local storage, SSD storage, and this is where my media is at. That's my UNAS. Done. All right, he wants it to start, enter the container. All right, I'm going to enter the container. So no Docker. I've had it on LXC before. It works relatively fine. Less moving parts. Let's clear that out. It's saying DNS is broken inside CT 500. No, it's not. Well, well, I'm reminded. Head guard's not up. Look at that name server. Yes, so now, okay, updated its memory. Yes, this means perfect. Or whatever DNS is. Yep. Okay. quicker. I didn't catch that. Fix it cleanly. Okay. Yeah, because I canceled the last command. So the cache by mount is owned by host root, right? Which is, and this is unprivileged CT, so Plex cannot write to it. Okay. Fix Proxmox host not inside CT, and we're going to stop the container. It wants to stop the container. Let's throw a little. See if it gives me a little attitude. Sometimes it catches an attitude, and it'll tell me. It's told me before. Exact words is I've mentioned this before. Please exit the container. Same issue. Oh, it's saying we can't write. Then try direct fix. Residue still there. Check. Yes. Run this inside, and honestly, I think it's because I tried to kill it, or not try. I did kill it. I would like to intervene and also advise it. Hey, let's not run in circles. Like, let's clear out this container and restart from scratch. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here, just for the sake of time. Let me ask it. So what I've come to understand is it's very firm with me on certain commands it gives us or gives me, but it's also very I'm not sure of the term. It will on an instant jump and follow whatever you say. Let's destroy it. Destroyed. Let's create it. 4 cores, 4 gigs. There we go. Now, maybe that was a mistake for not catching it, but let's scroll up here. Ah, I did mention something about that 20.150. I may have thought that was the IP address. It may be completely my fault. But I remember this IP, my local IP, because this was my old AdGuard server. So that right there may have, I may have, and AI is a great, great tool, but it gathers data from the user. And if the user is giving it bullshit data, you're going to run into bullshit problems over and over again. Okay. Now this should run cleanly. Well, let's start it up. See, so it's running, active, enabled. So it wants me to open up 20 dot. It wants to check media storage. See if it gives me an attitude. It's not set up yet. So let's give it these two. Yeah, we haven't set up the mounts. So yeah. Yes, yes. I shouldn't have done that. I should have. Okay, so it wants to resize. If Plex is running, then we add metadata cache the better way. So it's running. I'm not gonna send it that. I like giving it attitude as well. So okay, it's not very good. Ignore this for now. Critical. Okay. That's usually USB tuner device detection. It does not stop Plex. Okay. So it wants me to exit the container. Give Plex more root for metadata. I don't. Let's do 64. Only because yeah, okay. The only reason why I say that is because it's so much easier to increase when you need it than to decrease when you don't need it, if that makes sense. In storage, it's just so expensive right now. Hence the reason I'm running SSDs, SATA SSDs over M2s. So I'm already out of the container. Let's all right. Okay, run inside. So once this wants to run inside, oh, we're already in the container. So we could check that. We still have that USB failure. Shouldn't be a problem. There we go. And it's running. Now we need to mount. So yeah, media storage. So let's exit the container. Okay. Okay. I should show my mount. This one right here. Send it all down. Oh, I think I know what that means. but okay. There she is. Done. So that should enable us to add our external media. Okay, so I won't show you or ways to show you. I hate saying that, so I'm not really showing you much. But I won't go through the whole setup of Plex. Okay, it shows me. I mean, I still think that nobody. Yeah, you see, this is as root squashes you, and this is quick read only. Yeah, that's all we need is read only, right? It's not going to be writing to Plex. It's just going to be reading. So yeah, sudo is missing. Okay. We should be able to, let me sign in just to, oh, libraries here. I'll get up into show you movie libraries. Let's see here. Here's my media out. Here are my movies. I'll like coming in here and changing one option only. Let me increase this for you guys to see. And that option. So let me just go through. I'll fast forward this for you guys or just stream it through. Done with that. Now, while that's loading, right? Yeah, my CPU will probably peg out a little bit. I think the most important object of this build would be, I would hate to leave it like that. We need to enable transcode pass through. So we need to install the drivers on the container as well. In the container. So must expose NVIDIA. We can, yes. Yes, there we go. Yes, this is exactly how I've gotten my other containers set up for GPU pass through with NVIDIA. I could never get that done with Intel. I'm not sure. It's probably just me. Trust me. Take my word. It is me. So once I stop it. I don't have time for This should come back with information. Yeah, it does. Okay, so it needs information. So when we install minus the kernel, they have to match. So once we're gonna stop. There we go. Run these three, okay. Okay, now we have that. Right, it's a list, another one. NVIDIA caps. Set nobody group though. Plex is running. Okay, so good. Devices pass through. Okay, next step. Inside, yes. Yes, we need to. User space libraries only. But it's there. 5980. Nothing's running right now, obviously. Okay. 100. Okay. What does it want to do next? Add Plex to video render groups. This is new to me. I don't remember this. User mod. Okay. That is new to me. Maybe I just don't remember it, but should. Yep. So in Plex, right, we have to enable it at transcode. There we go. Okay. Use. Okay. That's, I believe we have to change this as well. There's my Blackwell. Max unlimited. To 1. Tweaks. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. A few tweaks. It helps. And I love that. Change the CPU transcodes from to unlimited. No. I don't want any CPU transcodes. If Plex ever falls back to CPU, you don't want an artificial limit. Nope, I don't care. Transcode quality is automatic. Okay, top there. Background transcoding 264, very fast. Good, it's there. Out. Let me get out of here. Let me go to the dashboard. It is converting 4K down to 1080. So let's check Plex. So it wants me to run watch. So we have real GPU transcoding. It's